Hi there! In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to enroll, replace, and remove a cardholder's face biometric data using the IBSSweb platform and the AFR9700 face recognition reader. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the IBSS Biometric Client application ready. It's a portable app, so no installation is needed. Simply launch it. Next, log into IBSSweb. From the main menu, go to Cardholder, then select Cardholder again. Find the cardholder you want to enroll and click the Edit button to open their details. On the Edit Cardholder page, click on the Biometric tab. This is where we'll handle all the biometric data. There are two methods to enroll a cardholder's face: the live photo enrollment using a webcam or the selfie photo enrollment by uploading a photo. Let's start with the live method. Click Take Photo. A pop-up will appear for card verification. You can either tap the card on the desktop reader or simply copy and paste the card number here. The biometric client window will now appear. Ensure you've selected your connected webcam and the desired resolution. Then click Connect. Position the cardholder's face within the frame and click Capture. You'll see the captured image on the right. Click Submit. Now, you'll need to crop the photo. Align the default cropping marker to the cardholder's face for the best results. Once done, click Crop and Submit. For the selfie method, click Upload Photo. Select the selfie photo you want to use. Just like before, you'll need to verify the card by tapping it on the reader or by copying the card number. The photo will appear with the cropping tool. Align the cropping marker to the face, then click Crop and Submit. Once the photo is enrolled, click the Save button. This saves the biometric data to the system. Alternatively, you can set the same photo as cardholder photo. Simply click Set as Cardholder Photo button. Now, before you download the data to the reader, you have the option to set the cardholder's access mode. You can choose from 4 options: Face Only, where the cardholder can only use their face for access; Card Only, where the cardholder can only use their card for access; Face or Card, which allows them to use either method; or Face and Card, a 2-factor authentication that requires both the card and face for entry. Once you have selected the appropriate access mode, click Download. This sends the biometric data and the chosen settings to the AFR9700 reader. Upon a successful download, the cardholder is ready to use their designated access method at the reader. Alternatively, you can perform a bulk download for multiple cardholders from the main menu. Go to Download, then select Face Recognition. Select the desired face recognition readers. You can choose all or specific ones, and make sure Face Templates is selected under the Access Control tab. Click Continue and Start to start the download. This will send all the enrolled face data to the selected readers. To remove or replace an enrolled face, simply navigate back to the same Biometric tab. To remove it, click the Remove button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Remove again to complete the transaction. IBSSweb will automatically remove this face template from all connected readers. To replace the face biometric data, just repeat the photo enrollment steps we covered earlier. That's it! You've successfully learned how to manage face biometrics. For more information, visit our website.